GSA's Transition to Employment Workshop for Professionals suits students with prior full-time work experience who are looking to change careers, get a promotion, or re-enter the workforce. How do you secure your first role in a brand new field or career? How do you make sure your career aspirations and personal goals will materialize? How do you show employers what a great employer you'll be? How do you make sure that you'll be happy and successful at work? The answer is career management. Through skilled career management, you can choose a great employer, change careers, secure great jobs, and understand and map your future career path. Career management is not a natural talent, and people who have successful career transitions are not just lucky. To be skilled at career management takes training, tools, and hard work, and to be in the right place at the right time. And the right place to be, if you want to be skilled in career management, is our next Graduate Student Association Transition to Employment Workshop program for professionals. In this intensive workshop program, you'll learn how to plan your career, design an attractive personal brand, write a standout CV, leverage the power of LinkedIn, find great job opportunities, and impress people in interviews. It's going to be intensive and oh so valuable. So if you're serious about having a successful next step in your career as an experienced professional or leader, sign up to these career-changing GSA workshops. Your career, future income, and work-life satisfaction will thank you for it.